Continue now. Face centered unit cell we can understand with the help of the figure. We have a cubic unit cell here now. And atoms are present at the corner, each corner, as well as at the face, top face, side face. This is side face, bottom face, and this is front face, back face, and this front face. Always remember that assume a contribution of atoms present in corner of the unit cell equal to 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8, and atoms present in the center of the face contribute 1 upon 2 part. Look here now, this atom which is present in the side of this unit cell contribute half part in this and half part in another, in such as हाफ पार्ट इसका दूसरे वाले सेल में होता है और हाफ पार्ट इस सेल में, मीन्स ये कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करता है 1/2. ऐसे ही पीछे वाले भी करेंगे, साइड वाले भी करेंगे, टॉप वाले, बॉटम वाले और फ्रंट वाले भी. इस तरह से एक यूनिट सेल बनता है. तो इनका कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना होता है 1/2 पार्ट. नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट इज एंड सेंटर्ड. End centered cubic unit cell. In such type of cubic unit cell, constituent particles are present at the corner of the unit cell as well as the center of any two opposite faces. Of the cubic unit cell. Such type of cubic unit cell is known as end-centered cubic unit cell. Okay, look as figure. We have a cubic unit cell and atoms present at the corner. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, and two opposite faces. Atoms will be present here and bottom, or this side and this side we take here, at the top and at the bottom, means opposite faces. Such type of cubic unit cell are known as end centered cubic unit cell. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the effectively number of atoms, means how to find the effectively number of atoms. In first case number first, for primitive यूनिट सेल, प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? प्रिमिटिव सेल में आप जानते हो एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द यूनिट सेल, ओनली कॉर्नर of the unit cell. So contribution of atoms in each corner equal to 1/8 part number of corners equal to 8, then effectively number of atoms in primitive cell equal to 1/8 into 8 equal to 1, means one atom will be present in one primitive unit cell. Now we are going